As a student, you need to have a skill before graduation or before your NYSC program if you are a student in Nigeria or any part of the West Africa country. Do you know why? It will help you. Skill these days is what determines your future. It's no longer education. I'm not part of those who say school is scam or education is scam. Education is not a scam. Never, it's not a scam. It's the system, the people, and the things they are teaching us. That's what they are supposed to scam about. To know the base of it is not actually a scam. I'm not against those who want to go to university, to go to school to further their education. I'm not against them. No problem. You can read law, you can read medicine, you can read this and that, but learn a skill. It's not. I'm not talking about laundry skill. It can be barbing, dry cleaning, any other skill. Learn a skill before you go for your NYSC program, because after graduation, those free money that used to come before, those 2,000 naira, those 1,000 naira, uncle I'm dying, oh, daddy I'm hungry, oh, mommy, it will not come again. They not see you as you are old enough to take care of yourself. So those free tips from uncle, from auntie, from friends, it won't come again. You are now mature to take care of yourself. You are now your own responsibility. So if you don't have skill that is giving you money, how will you do it? How will you cope? So basically I say now, after I graduate now, I will not ask you, no. Use 2 stones or use a stone to keep 3 birds. I know I have a friend, when we were in school, the person was learning ski, Alamako was doing this and that, I graduated with 3 skills at once. So I advise all of you, those of you who are schooling, you who are watching this video now, you are still schooling, say you don't have time. You don't have time. You know, this country will plan for sure, but the country plan differently from us. So skill acquisition and business, these are the 2 things that will hold you, your ends, in a time of trial and challenges. When you have skill, when you have business idea and doing business, these 2 things will help you. Please, I beg you, try your best possible. Before you graduate, you are in 100 level, start to do something. You are 20 level, you are HND or you are ND. Learn a skill now. In your 1 year IT, use that time to learn a skill. Don't go and work. The thing is that they will say, that 1 year IT, I want to go and work, gather money. That you cannot gather money like that. You will not even see the money you gather. We did it that time. You will not see the money you gather. So use that 1 year IT to learn skill. That digital skill, that smart skill, online skill, the different skill at all. Learn something so that when you are now at, you will fall back to something. Like when I was in school, I planned for laundry business. Yes, when I was in school, I've been doing it. And when I have in school now, I have my certificate, I have my upper, my first class upper. But what am I doing there with anything? I've applied for jobs many times. I didn't see anyone. So I fall back to my laundry business. You get. Some of you now, you have finished your HND, you have your distinction. Yes, but the certificate is like booklet now. It's in your file there, doing nothing. You have been searching for a job here and there. But this is the opportunity now. I wish you learn something while you're in school. You will be happy now. But I'm not arguing that you cannot do anything now. Now, you can still start now. The time has not passed. You can still start now. You can say, okay, today I want to learn this skill. Today I want to go this skill. Put your mind in it. Simply yourself, and then you will be able to do it. And those of you who are already graduating now, you are saying, if I go for NYSC, before you go for NYSC, please. I see many students after they just graduated, they are proposing to go for NYSC. No. Please don't always to go for NYSC. What we will do now, learn a skill, learn a business, and then forge on it. So when you go for NYSC, probably you will be posted to a place you will have favor, and from there you can start your business there. You can start your skills there. It will help you. Most of the time we will think that if I go for NYSC, it will put to the company, to a people, to a faculty, no, those is bygone. How would you imagine when every time they post people to NYSC, different places, some persons don't even have access to company. Some people have access to companies, some only school. Because why? The company's lot are be taken by people who know people. So don't pre-mind that they will go to the company and they will now retain you. Yes, it's possible, grace happen, but back up your grace with work. I will say faith without work is also there. I beseech you, do this and then thank me later. Once again, this is spam strongly. If you are interested to go on your running business, say I'm interested, we'll get back to you. Don't forget to check my YouTube video. There's some video I drop there that will help you on how to grow your business from a minimum high to level. See you next week. Bye.